welcome back to the channel. This week has been a pretty crazy week with a lot of cars in and out. What we're going to do today and what we're going to focus on, showcasing how we do all of our Tesla mirrors. These Tesla mirrors are not difficult to do once you know how to do them. This video is going to be more towards the installers. So if you're not an installer, just sit back, check out how we bulk our mirrors. And if you're an installer, maybe you want to check out how we do these. Let's jump into it. So for starters, we washed the vehicle, we clayed it, we got any kind of decontaminants off of the paint, and then what we did is we waxed it. So this is a super slippery surface, which is going to be great when we're installing. Next, we're going to use probably a 12 by 9 piece of bulk that we use just from when we're doing our patterns. You know, sometimes we'll have extras, and so we'll cut it off. We'll get a piece like this. We're going to use our soapy water, soak it down. I'm going to lay this here for now. We'll use our squeegee off, make it pretty much bone dry so that there's totally no contaminants on the paint when we're transferring. Then we're going to get this piece. If I can get it. Alright, we're just going to soap it down, lay it on, and you're done. Alright, next step, we're going to get our tack points. So we're going to tack here, and we're going to tack here, and we're going to stretch it over to here. So we're going to use our alcohol bottle right up in there. Just doing a small little tack. Nothing too crazy, just something to keep the film staying still. Let's spray some soap up in there. And we're going to tack up here. We're not going to do too much of a stretch, just a little bit. That's good. We're just doing a small portion right there. Okay. Then we're going to spray a bunch of soap in here. Get this slippery again. Uh-oh. Then we're going to spray this with alcohol. And do a stretch, and as we're stretching, we're just going to do a tack. All the way up. And then we're going to come back over. Okay, put a little more alcohol in here. And then I'm noticing there's a little bit of a line here. I didn't do a soft tack enough. So I'm going to come back through, pick it up, and get that back for looking at it. I'm going to keep the tension where I'm laying it. Alright, now we're going to come down here and tack here. So we're going to have some fingers right here. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to lift it up, and we're going to go out. We're going to go away instead of just forcing it down. So I'm just going to come over here. Because when you're forcing it down, it's just going to pop back up. So when you're spraying it out, the tension is dispersed. We're gonna dry it off. Take a look at it. Boom. That's it. So we're gonna let this sit for a second before we come back and we trim it up.